Hello friends and welcome to this channel. Here we have learned how to give comment in the different in the Python, single line comment, multi-line comment, etc. Let's begin. Firstly, I printed this format like welcome to HTPMR. Then we have executed it. Then and then not printed because of we cannot use the capital print. Instead, small. If we write in the letters, then and then also it cannot execute. Okay. Now we have given the single line comment first. Okay. Hello. This is single line comment A, B, C, etc. Okay. We get the execution like this way. Print welcome to HTPMR. We have given this single line comment, but it's not executed, but it's seen to us. Okay, this is not execution part. Okay, now here we can give the multi-line comment like this way. Okay, it's not taken. It's not taking the triple code. Okay, this have been taken. So hi, hello, good morning, good night, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Okay, so this we have here. Okay, this is single line comment. We can do this not execute. Okay, this is the best way to give the comment. Okay, now the another example in it like 1, 1, 3. Okay, in this we can execute such a code A, B, C, HTPMR and X, Y, Z. In this, okay, we have learned how to give comment. Now I get execution in it. See, we got the result. We can give the three way. First, that is has tag. Because of using has, we can give the single line comment. Afterwards, double inverted comma 3 times. Then it executed the command, multi-line command, and the next other option is like single inverted comma 3 times. Then it also gives the command. This is the best way to give the command and to understand for us or to explain our understanding in the future. This is the best and one of the important part of Python. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.